Well, now you know you are his servant.
My life for you.
It's like, now you know you are his slave. That's it. When you're holding his fat ass. Let's just make life easy for him, you know?
God, it's like,
That's funny.
that's hilarious. It's like, my life for you.
My life for you. Oh, I gotta get in the shower.
So you can go.
He's patting the window with his tail.
Are there birdies?
You want to go on the treadmill later, Mr. Man?
Yeah, we're watching you.
Yeah, I'm making a video of you.
Make sure it's of him, not of don't you dare do me.
Mr. Man. You want to go on YouTube?
Yeah, there's right in here. I'm lazy.
It's Mr. Man. I feel good.
Becky.
Huh?